Hey, welcome to this new episodes. We have created a server in Vultr Cloud, a compute server, and for SSH connectivity, we are not using any terminal like putty or native terminal command. We are going to use an internal development platform called SanShivaSHELL, where you can see we do have our connections. And let's see what connection we have. So we have a 1 2 3 server, and we are going to add a new server here. Let's call it Vultr demo server. So this is a server which I have created in Vultr. Let me pick the IP address. Add the IP address. Port 22 is okay, and actual username is root. We are going to put this in development group. So this is demo server, so probably we are going to put it in development server. Auth method, actually when you initially provision a new server on Vultr Cloud, it's probably ask us to use SSH key, but you are not going to use that until you create a separate SSH key on server or in Vultr Cloud platform itself. So let's use password, and I'm not going to show you the password. This is probably no one will tell you, but let me pick the password. I'm going to paste it here and add and connect. So you can see connection created successfully, but whenever you add connection to SanShivaSHELL IDP platform, it will not going to connect immediately. So just click cancel and see under development in saved host we do have one more server, and it is online now. So let's click again, and it's again asking for password. So let's enter the password and again click. So okay, great. So it's okay now. Okay, great. So you can see we are into the Vultr server. So this is how this platform work, and it's in development group. We are into the Vultr platform on Vultr server. So let's see which operating system it is. This etc. So to get better experience with browser based SS terminal, you should have a better internet connection, otherwise it will lag and slow the command when you type it. Like you can see, I do have a poor internet connection, which is 346 millisecond, and it's show the connection health here. Current 472 millisecond, average is 384, and jitter as well. So let's see what did we have. A server information with the IP address, network statistics, and we do have a tab called SFTP as well. SFTP probably you have seen on some platform. cPanel such as GoDaddy, cPanel, or another hosting provider does have SFTP, where you can access server files, folder, etc. on a browser base. So it's also possible that you should have access of root, which is already we are root, so we are a super admin and we should have access of all the folders. So let's spook around this home folder. I told you that the internet connection is so slow, so it might take a longer time to reflect the data. Okay, we are inside the root folder, and let's click home. Let's say Linux user. So there is only one user called Linux user, and we'll try to upload a new folder under this, but so let me put somewhere and let it some dummy file. So would be, so I do have a audio file called 0.2 wave. So let me drag it here. You can see we have a drag and drop option, so you can drag and drop from your system to remote server just by dragging and dropping on the folder which you really intend to copy or paste. So leave it, and you can see the really beautiful UI which show the progress of file from your host machine to the remote server. Okay, great. So you can see we do have a 2.wav file. So this is the GUI which we have leveraging with SFTP. Let's back to the terminal and see, is this really into the terminal or not. So let's first see which operating system we are on it. ATC OS release. So this is Ubuntu 24, and let's see what's user home directory we have under home folder. So you can see, let me maximize it a little bit, and let me also clear and also close this tab which show the server details, so we'll have enough room to see the details. So this is inside the root, and we want to take a look at the home folder, which obviously the home directory for all Linux user. Oh, it's not home, or it's home. Okay, let's go inside Linux user home directory. Okay, we are inside the, let's run command ls-rth. Okay. Oh, there is a connection issue, but you can see we actually had a file called wav.2, right? So this is also, you can see the session from here. We are currently using Vultr demo server, and let me click here, and it's usually take us to the dashboard. Probably you can open this terminal things on a new tab. So there you go. We do have a server called Vultr demo server, which is in development group, and also you can open this terminal in new tab, click it. You can see there is a connect, multi-terminal, and edit option. If you have to edit any details like changing server name for only SanShivaSHELL IDP platform, you can change it to server 1 and whatever the details, but we are not going to change. Also, you can open the multi-terminal, which again required a password. Let me see the password again. Connect, and this is the new terminal. So this is how you can open a separate terminal which is not similar to the terminal or direct connect from the connection tab, but it's new terminal which you have a full blown terminal access. We have some example snippet for clear screen, and list open ports for Nginx. So we are not running any Nginx, and also we do not have any netstate command, so we are not going to see any. We also do have a clipboard features here, right here. So you can see the clipboard. You can copy from here, right? and click on a copy or paste. So let's copy, select it from terminal, and you can see it's added to the clipboard history. So when you open this clipboard and see this are added here. Suppose I have written a command called df-th for getting the disk usage detail on server, and let's see if I try to type this and copy it. So it's already added into the terminal, and also you can insert this command again back to the terminal. So let's see, this is selected and this is the command. Let's say paste to the terminal, so click enter and it's entered. So this is how you can use the copy to clipboard features, and this can be maximized to the full screen size of your laptop or computer, whatever it is. You can maximize it. You can go back to the home dashboard, maximize it, disconnect direct from this. You can add one more terminal. You can split it. You can split to horizontal, vertical as well. You can add more server here, like splitting vertical and horizontal. So this is about connecting Vultr server in SanShivaSHELL IDP platform terminal.